Dear friends, today I will continue with the left part of section 124. Okay. So, as I discussed, in short we can say the subsection 1 of section 124 is, if a company commits an offence, it shall be liable to be, it should go through all the proceedings and it is liable to be punished. Okay. So, but there are some exceptions. What are those? One is offence was committed without his knowledge. That means if the offence was committed without his knowledge, then the proceedings will not happen. Similarly, another exception is that he exercised all the due diligence to prevent the commission. Fine. So, next I will go to subsection 2. Okay. Subsection 2 says, notwithstanding anything contained in subsection 1, where an offence under this act has been committed by a company and it is proved that the offence has been committed with the consent or connivance of, or that the commission of the offence is attributable to any neglect on the part of any director, manager, secretary or other officer of the company, such director, manager, secretary or other officer shall also be deemed to be guilty of that offence and shall be liable to be proceeded against and punished accordingly. This is another situation. Okay. So, the explanation is, for the purposes of this section, clause A says, company means any body corporate and includes a firm or other associates or other association of individuals. And clause B says, director in relation to a firm means a partner in the firm. Fine. So, in short, we can say, when an offence is committed by a company, every person in charge of and responsible to the company for the conduct of its business at the time of commission of the offence shall be deemed to be guilty and shall be liable to be proceeded against and punished. Fine. So, this way subsection 2 is also completed and this way section 124 is completed. So, I would request all of you to please go through all the videos of chapter 20 and if you have any queries, any question raises in your mind, then please ask me in the comment box. Okay. So, friends, another thing, in short, I would like to say something that in short, chapter 20 can be explained or described as per the below lines. So, number 1, section 118 deals with penalties when the secrecy directions under section 35 and 39 are contravened. Section 119 deals with penalties in case false entries are made in the register, etc. Number 3.